Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to add social links on your Roblox profile. Firstly, you have to open your browser. In the search panel, type Roblox. Now go to the Roblox website. Make sure that you're logged into your account, then go to the settings menu. In the account info section of settings menu, by scrolling down at the bottom of the page, you will find the social networks tab. And in here, you can add various links to your social profiles. I'll add our YouTube channel link. After that, make it visible to everyone and save the change. Now click on Profile. Now on the right side of your profile, you will see the YouTube affiliation link. And by going to the link, you can see that I have gone to our channel. And that's it. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.